So low pass filter design. So from the values, you find out the low pass filter values, the coefficients, and microstrip low pass filters are used in all these communication, all the application, because of the small size, lightweight, and low cost. And you can connect them to coaxial line, microstrip line for achieving maximum impedance. Okay. And you can, for capacitors, you realize by short sections of lambda by 4, and for inductors you realize by relatively short sections of lambda by 4, very short for capacitor and short sections for inductor. So from this you can, this is a simple pi network for a LPF, and this is a T network for an LPF, and the corresponding structural change what you have a micro strip is shown here. Okay, so this is for A for coaxial pi, B is for coaxial T, and this one is for microstrip pi, and this one is for microstrip T. So if you have a series, if you have a series inductor, you will have this structure. If you have a shunt capacitor, you have this structure. So the structures we have seen previously, so just replace the elements by the structures. And how to find the inductive length? You can have the formulas of L in terms of inductor and L in terms of capacitor.